In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a prank in Windows 10 with Notepad. That's all you need. Let's get right into it. So, we're not gonna be using any complicated software. We're gonna do some very basic scripting with a very simple to use programming language called Batch. So, let's open up Notepad. So, hit the Windows key and type in Notepad. Hey there, Editing Vlad here. I realized I didn't make something clear in the video where you typically use Notepad. That's not true. I just selected Notepad for the ease of use for every single viewer here, because I don't want to go through the extra step of downloading software. Of course, you would typically life would be a lot easier with software like Visual Studio Code to format your code and actually make it more understandable. So definitely, if you will be actually programming coding, then don't use Notepad. This is just for the tutorial. Thank you. Keep on watching. Okay, and this might not seem much, but even if you're a beginner, this will be very simple. So we want to start by typing @echo off. So this will make sure that when a command is ran, it's not gonna show what command was actually ran, right? Because we don't want that. Now this is weird, but sort of funny. We want to right after type in echo. So echo is how you type in a message. So for example, I'm gonna do for this little prank, and we can do, and once you're done, so we're gonna start with 2 lines of code here. We're gonna do Control S right after to save, and this is where the part that you need to listen to really kicks into place. So firstly, you want to go to Save As Type. You want to hit all files, okay? If you do not hit all files, it will not save properly. It will just be a notepad. So once you hit all files, you can do prank.bat. We'll make it look like Chrome by the end of the tutorial, but prank.bat will work for now. Hit save, and we can see prank is now here. We can double click it, and you can see nothing's actually happening. You can see command prompt opening for a split second, but it's because there's no wait. It's just doing it and then instantly closing. So once batch files get to the end of the code, it exits out, it stops. So at the end, we're gonna drop a line, and we're gonna type in pause. Now we save again, and then try now. There we go. So now we get this command prompt window. Warning, self-destruction starting, soon press any key, continue. We'll get rid of this pause now, and we'll make it into timeout, and we'll do 100. You'll see. So we save once again, hit prank again, and you can see now, warning, self-destruct starting soon, waiting for 93 seconds, press a key to continue. So this is, starting to make time tick, making people concerned, oh no, what's gonna happen? Right now, if you press any key, right now I'm gonna press Control or Shift, it just closes out, but we're gonna make it do more. So we're gonna start doing some shutdown commands. Now to demonstrate that, I'm just gonna do quickly demonstrate in command prompt. So in command prompt, what you can do is shutdown. So if you type in shutdown like this, you will get a lot of text. It's just gonna explain what to do with shutdown command. But if you do shutdown -s, you can see it will shut you down. So -a, okay. So basically, shutdown -s will trigger a shutdown initiation. Shutdown -a will abort any shutdown command. So if it's a restart or shutdown, it will all be aborted. So that's basically all of the simple commands. With another flag we're gonna talk about, shutdown -c. -s, sorry, and then after that, let's type in -c, and then 2 of these brackets, parentheses, and we'll do haha loser, no, I'm just kidding, haha shutting down shutting down now. LOL. We can see we get this message, which custom now. We'll do shutdown-a again so that we don't get shut off, because this is not the tutorial. So we can close this now. Now we know a bit more about command prompt and batch. Let's use that knowledge into our guide. So we can drop another line here, and let's type in shutdown-s-c, two of these quotation marks, and then we can type in whatever message we want, and then we can do time's up, shutting down PC forever. And then we're gonna do self-destruction imminent. Yeah, imminent. And then we'll do a pot, and then if we do yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. And then we can do another value here, -t, and then we'll do 60 for now, okay? So 60 is so that we can make sure we can actually do this without our computer actually shutting down, because that can happen. Let's do Control S to save, and then we hit this, and we get the countdown. Now you can wait until this countdown actually... Oh, flip. Okay, phew, okay. So basically, you can actually watch the countdown go, but it will go. So, even if you do anything, like I tried to maximize, and then it just shut out. So, if we press any key, closes, and it says time's up, PC shutting down, shutdown-a, and because of that time frame, we have 60 seconds to abort. But we're gonna do one more thing here. We're gonna do, yeah, actually for now, that's good. Let's go for the actual part where we make it look like Chrome. So, basically, I have Google Chrome here. This goes to Google Chrome. I want this Google Chrome to look like this. I want this to look like this. How can we accomplish this? Firstly, we're gonna have to click Create Shortcut, and we get the shortcut. You can just move this. We'll move it here for now. Just create the shortcut after. No, sorry. Create the shortcut after you move the file to its destination. So, for example, if I move this to the downloads folder, this shortcut will not work as it cannot find the file. So do use the shortcut before. No. Make the shortcut after you move the file to, for example, I don't know. Sorry. I don't know, like in downloads or in System32, just to make them not look for it. But yeah, we got our shortcut. This is what we're gonna be. Oh, fudge. Okay. Dang it. Gosh. Okay, phew. So, just don't be careful and not actually run the program, because now I'm concerned I'm gonna do that. But basically, we wanna, without activating it, without activating it, we're gonna right click and go to Properties. So we can go then to Run Maximize. So that's not gonna make it look cooler, but it will run maximize. Okay, wait. So we're gonna set this to maximize, just make it look cooler. Now we're gonna look here for an icon. So let's do. So now I have Internet Explorer. And if you are still using this program, I am glad to say you are still in denial. So time to fix up your life. Anyways, now you can see we made this look like this. So if I try running this, oh my gosh, what is going on? I thought this was Internet Explorer. We press any key to continue because we clearly don't see the close button. And we get this warning. So like always, like I said already, Shutdown -A will stop it, and there you go. So that's the whole prank virus code thing. It's very short, I know, but it is just a fun little prank you can do. I'm not responsible for any data loss before you try to warn me for anything, whatever. And I'm gonna end this video here. I'm probably gonna make a better, more in-depth tutorial to make something in Visual Basic Script next. We can do a lot more stuff with that, and it's gonna be a lot more it's not gonna be too much more complicated, but a lot more fun. It's gonna be great. So if this video helped you out, or you have any questions, comment down below. Hit that like button. It does help me out and the YouTube algorithm, and maybe even consider subscribing. That also helps me out a butt ton, just shows your support. And also you can hit that bell's notifications icon to never miss another video. I do have videos planned for the future. With that, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.